public service announcement, everyone. The puffer jacket is back again this winter. Yes, you heard me. It is here to help you beat the cold and looks good while doing so. Now, we're joined in studio this morning by fashion and beauty editor Knox Mafu to give us 20 tips on this must-have essential item that anyone can wear. Listen, I had to make a whole thing about it because...
It is a PSA.
It is.
It is actually a public service announcement because puffers have just been so timeless in fashion. And like you said, they're back and they're better than ever, honestly.
Because a lot of people, when they look at the puffer jacket, they think, oh, is this something you're going to go camping with? But no, this brings back the 90s feels for me.
Exactly.
Take us through what a puffer jacket is for you.
Okay.
For everybody at home, why they need to have a puffer jacket.
So I think, like you said, Jamie, so beautifully, that the puffer jacket has been linked with the idea that you need to go camping or it's just for outerwear. Well, actually, fashion has said that that is not the truth. This is something that in 2020 is voluminous, it's oversized, and really can lean into the athleisure style or just a practical and fun wear. And what I love about this is that mom, dad, and your kiddies are going to be sorted. I mean, we've got examples here, but honestly, it's such a functional piece of clothing, but it's stylish and it's cool and it can really bring an edge to any outfit.
Talking about stylish, what different styles are there? Is there then just the one? Because I see different styles here, and I haven't really seen this, but I'm loving that Luca can get one, I can get one, baby daddy can get one, everyone can get one.
Right? So there's such beautiful styles. I think let's start with the kiddies. What I love here is that obviously it's made of, you know, a brilliant material, which is actually recyclable, and we'll talk to that later. But I love the lining inside for the little ones because, of course, it does need to be lightweight. They're returning back to school. There's a lot more activity during the day. So I love how lightweight it is, but you'll be comfortable that your kid is warm enough. And it's got a beautiful kind of lineup. The zipping is very cool. And even there, they've got it as cool kids. And there's a beautiful range of colors from your yellows, your blues. Your kid will really be looking stylish. Here we've got something for the ladies. And also very functional. Like I said, it's a very utilitarian kind of piece of wear. So you'll find that there's lots of pockets. What I love about this one is that you can detach the hoodie. So I'll try to do that for us here.
Okay, so like...
we can detach.
Am I in Antarctica today? No, I'm not.
Yes,
Am I
change it up. You know, you've got options. So you could take this off. I haven't taken it off properly, but again, there we've got the full, so two different styles, one piece of clothing. That is an investment piece in itself already. And then the men's section. I mean,
I don't know why you're saying men's as if I wouldn't wear this. Like, this is for the ladies as well.
Ladies as well, if you want to wear it. I think, I mean, unisex stuff at this stage is all the rage. I love this kind of style, very modern. The pockets here speak to a very functional piece of clothing. The lining inside is exceptionally warm. So, you know, you'll be comfortable, you'll be cool. It's well fitted on a male kind of structure. And like you said, if you want to lean into it as a woman, it's brilliant. I really love these styles. And also just not one piece of, you know, style. I think we always tend to think the puffer jacket is like this. But you can get really modern looks that kind of follow the body in a way that's modern, that's got an edge. And I think you'll look incredible. I mean, if you want to style something like this, you can wear it with sweats.
I was just going to ask you now, how would you then style this? Because I'm thinking just tights and then whatever.
Oh, no. You can definitely, you see, I think because we think of a coat, we're like, that's the only way you can dress something up as fabulously as you have today. But with this, you can wear, you know, your sweats, you could wear your jeans, you could pair it with a sneaker, or if you want to take it up, you wear a boot, you wear a good denim. So this is really something that's versatile, and you can wear your knits underneath, and you can wear it inside, outside, lightweight, functional, but very cool.
Now, not only are these puffers sexy, cute, comfortable, you also said there's a story, a sustainability story about it. Tell me a bit more about that.
Well, this is where I think Woolworths really took my heart away, because I really had no idea that each of these things that we're looking at here are made of 80% recyclable material. And this is down to the zipper line, down to the zipper tag. What Woolworths has done has taken over 1 million recycled bottles and used those materials to give us fashion that is functional, that is fly, and really just on trend. And I mean, to put the two together, I think we all know that we're trying to be far more sustainable with our fashion, give back to the environment by still looking good. And I think Woolworths has done this in a beautiful way that sets them apart from the rest of the retailers.
trending, but while still just being so conscious about what you're doing out there. Thank you so much, Knox, for just giving us your expertise on the puffer jacket. I'm definitely taking all 3 for myself, everybody. Well, you at home, there you have it. The puffer jacket is a must-have item this winter, and Hoolies is making fashion and function come together, and we love to see it. We are here for it, let me tell you about it. But you can get your hands on these sustainability crafted puffers available at Woolies stores nationwide. Now shop the latest winter's fashion in-store, online, or on the Woolies app.